Hey guys, welcome to my channel. We have Glossybox. I'm slightly tipsy. Let's see. I'm not drinking on my own, by the way. Joe's downstairs. Glossybox is a beauty box that I apparently can't get into today. I have to tell you guys, that's pretty, that I did used to work with Glossybox. So I did used to get sent PR, however this is paid for by me. I stopped PR, God, somebody told me, a year or two ago maybe. It's a really pretty box. Normally it's like a pink and black box, but this is just a perfectly imperfect. Moi. I haven't forgotten about the giveaway for the other one. I'll be picking a winner tomorrow for that one. So I will leave a link. It's got a mirror in it. That's awesome. And stickers. Oh, this is far too exciting for me to be doing this a little bit drunk. 100% read that as do what makes you horny. Do what makes you happy. For every rainy day there's a rainbow. Self-love. Oh my god. This was not a good idea, was it? Nope. Get out. Right. So they've got the scan thing again, which I can't do because I'm filming on my phone because my camera's... I found my camera, by the way. I found my camera. It's just not charged. And this little scanny thing tells you how much everything is. But we're just going to guess. We'll just guess. So what have we got? Wipe out swipes. Eco-friendly... Oh, microfiber cleansing cloth from Magnetone. I've got loads of these. They're awesome. You can just put warm water on it and it'll take your makeup off, or you can put your makeup cleanser on it if you want to, and then wash them and use them again. They're really good. Happy with that. Oh, I know what this is. This is I think this is a sample because there's a little, I nearly threw this. L'Oreal Paris Bright Reveal Niacinamide Power Pair, dark spots reduced for 90% of women. It's like a SPF 50 niacinamide. I don't know what niacinamide does. Reduces dark spots apparently. I don't know what else it does. We'll see. Sorry, my phone just rang. What are you? Eclat Skin London limited edition micellar water with rosemary extract, makeup remover and cleansing water. I use the Garnier one. Oh, that smells really nice. Wouldn't be able to place that as rosemary, but that smells really nice. So I like that. You can use that with that if you want to. Like it. Dr. Pawpaw. We've all had a million of these within the beauty boxes. It's just like a balm you can put on your lips or any sore, dry skin. They're quite good. But this is the original one, so it doesn't really smell of anything. I don't think this one smells of anything. No, that one has no scent. But that will just get chucked like in a travel bag, just to have for like when you're away. It's all right. Philip Kingsley Maximizer Root Boosting Spray. I won't use this. I'll give that. I think my friend Kay will probably like that. She likes a lot of volume in her hair. Philip Kingsley is a really nice hair care brand. So, and it's a good size as well. 60ml, nice for travel again. And then I never know whether this is ESPA or ESPA, Natural Beauty Inner Calm Body Lotion, bergamot and jasmine. Oh my god, that smells amazing. I want to lick that. That smells so nice. Is it ESPA or ESPA? I don't know. Let me know in the comments because I'm not entirely sure. And that's it. Not the most exciting box in the world. I mean, I was very excited about the stickers, obviously. But the contents, like, it will get used. Like, that will get used by Kay. But I would have liked to have seen a makeup product. Like, rather than just skincare. I would have liked to have seen a makeup product. What do you guys think? Yeah, definitely not my favourite one. Favourite box, they've had like the prettiest box in a while. But the actual contents is a bit meh. Not amazing. Not shit. Perfectly imperfect. Thanks for watching. I love you. Bye.